students of grade 7. I hope all of you are doing good. This is your mentor, Miss Helen, and I'll be taking up your science for this session. We all know that plants and animals eat food. But have you ever thought about what do plants actually eat? Do you know that plants make their own food? Well, they sure do. And that's what we are going to learn today. So our topic today is photosynthesis, how plants make their own food. Now, just by looking at the word photosynthesis, it looks like a really big word, but it's actually not. It is a compound word and is made up of two different words. Look at the word photosynthesis. Can you identify the two different words? Well, the first word is photo. And the second word is synthesis. Photosynthesis. Now, what do you mean by this word photo and synthesis? Photo is a Greek word for light. Synthesis is also a Greek word for putting together. So photo means light, synthesis means putting together. Green plants uses light to put together chemical compound and turns them into food. Can you guess what are the raw materials required for photosynthesis? Green plants need 4 things to prepare the food. First, they need sunlight. Second, they need chlorophyll. Third, they need water. And lastly, they need carbon dioxide. So these are the 4 raw materials required by the plants to prepare their food. Now, let's go in detail on these 4 topics. Photosynthesis begins when light strikes the surface of the leaf. That means the main source of light energy is what? Sun. So plants uses light from the sun to prepare their food. Second, we have chlorophyll. The cells of green plants contain a special type of cell organelles called chloroplasts. I'll write it down here. Cells of green plants contain a special type of cell called chloroplasts. These chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. This chlorophyll traps the energy from the sun and initiates the food production by using carbon dioxide and water. Next, we have water. From where does the plant get water? Plant absorbs the water from the root. The root absorbs water from the soil and transfers it to different parts of the plant through the stem. Next, we have carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas is present in the atmosphere and it diffuses on the surface of the leaf through a tiny pore called stomata. Through this stomata, carbon dioxide diffuses into the leaves. This carbon dioxide travels from the leaves to the chloroplast. Now in the chloroplast, what happens? Carbon dioxide combines with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to prepare their food. Thus, we conclude that leaves is the food factory of the plant that uses light energy from the sun and produces chemical energy in the form of food. Then the equation for photosynthesis. The equation for photosynthesis is CO2, that's carbon dioxide, combines with water, H2O, that's water, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, produces glucose, that is H12O6 plus oxygen, O2. So this is our equation for photosynthesis. So, in a nutshell, plant uses light from the sun, water from the soil, carbon dioxide from air, and chlorophyll that's present in the leaves. Well, there you have it. Photosynthesis, how plants make their own food. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.